Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with the tune-up report for Paul in Michigan on this RCI-2950dx6. Paul, got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, wideband receive, high cut noise filter. Got it right here on the back. Got your static 636 microphone here, 4 to 6 pin mic adapter, and this heavy duty dual fuse power cord. Okay, let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. I got set at 2 watts all the way down in case you decide to run an amp. You got full adjustability. 25 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Low, 50 bird. 100 watt slug in peak. Hello, 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 hello. 100 watt slug in the corner. Just flip over here, show you sideband real quick. Hello, 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 hello. About 97 on sideband. All right, we'll get it over to you, Paul. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.